Let me switch this to a line chart like that, right? We can see it better. So if you're having trouble with seeing market structure or anything, just use a line chart because you can see it much clearer, okay? Candles sometimes get confusing with the wicks. You don't really know what's happening. But here you can see it really, really well. So you can see more that price was moving up, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Suddenly, boom, sharp move. It made a peak here. You can see that peak. It made a peak here, right? Then it pushed up again, couldn't break there, right? Then it made a what? It made a
lower
low,
low,
right? Then it pushed up again, what it made? Lower high, right? And to me, this here is an M pattern, double top. Can we see that? Double top pattern. That automatically, for me, liquidity grab. Double top.